guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing another Medusa's makeup unbagging. So this is for the month of January 2022, which is crazy to say, but here we are. So in my last video I said that my December one might be my last one, but if you guys don't know, if you're new here, this is actually a gift subscription. My mother purchased this for me for Christmas last year, like 2019 Christmas, no, 2020 Christmas. So I thought it was a 1-year subscription, but apparently it is not. So I don't know how long we'll be doing these, but if you enjoy them, here we go. So in the box, we do get the little leave a review bag, not box, excuse me. And then you get another one of these cards, which I think is the same every time. Yeah, it is. This little like pamphlet. It's literally like advertising the same products every time. I wish they'd kind of switch it up. Like, show me other things you have, guys. Like, I've seen those. I like those. We're good. And then, of course, we get the card that tells us what's in here. But this says, 2022 goals. Let's make the world a more colorful place. Medusa's makeup. That's cute. So there's that card. And then everything comes bubble wrapped. So let's go ahead and tear into this. The first thing I see on top is just this little, it's a Cocoa Beauty coconut oil wipe. We get these a lot. I think this is just like a little, oh no, this is $3 for this thing. They're fine. They take your makeup off. They work really well for like swatches. That's what I usually use them for, is I just kind of leave them in a pile, and then when I'm doing like unboxing videos, I will use those to wipe away the makeup. But ooh, this is pretty. Next, this is one of their baked shadows. We get these quite often. It's in the shade Envy. If you're new here, I love these for highlighter. I'm actually wearing one for highlighter today. But I don't usually use these for eyeshadow. I typically don't even open them when they're colors like this, but this color, ooh, it's just calling to me, and I feel like I need to swatch it, and that might be wasteful because realistically, am I gonna use this often? I don't know, but I love that color so much. It's so, ooh, I just put my nail in it. It's so pretty though. Okay, these retail for $14. Ooh, yes, okay. That is a really, really pretty color. I'm going to have to force myself to use this now that I swatched it because it's really pretty, if I haven't said that 27 times already. Okay. Next thing in here is Medusa's Makeup Rage Against the Bean Vanilla Vegan Lip Balm. Cute. I like that name. This retails for $8.95. Weird price. Okay. That smells heavenly. Oh my god. That smells so good, you guys. It straight up smells like Vanilla Bean Noel, like from Bath & Body Works. So good. I really want to put this on my lips right now, but I have lipstick on, so no. But it smells amazing. Next, this is by Peony. This is Cult Lashes Mascara for thick, bouncy lashes. Typically in this subscription, we get primarily Medusa's makeup stuff and then 1 to 2 items that aren't the brand. And this would be the one we got this time. Or maybe we have another one, I'm not sure yet. But pretty packaging, which I had upside down the whole time. Let's see what the wand looks like. I said pretty packaging, but it's kind of boring. These ones are typically not my favorite, but we'll try it out. Like, I love trying new mascaras, but right off the bat, that wand is usually not one I go for. My hair is crazy. What else is new? 2022, we're still here. What is this? Medusa's Makeup Sun-Kissed Bronzer. Oh, okay. We'll look at it. This one is $14. I've gotten one of these in the past. No, that was a blush. Have I gotten the bronzer? I don't know. I got a blush for sure, and it was just like full of sparkle, and I was like, no, thank you. But I feel like I got a bronzer too that was also full of sparkle. I could be crazy. No, this looks like the packaging. Let's see. Oh yeah, Sparkle City. I don't know if that'll show. Yeah, you can see that, definitely. I don't like bronzers that have sparkles in them. I just don't. So I'm not gonna swatch that because I already swatched something in this video I probably shouldn't have. So I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't think I'm gonna use it, but to each their own. If you like sparkly bronzers, this one looks pretty cute. I like the packaging a lot. But yeah, that was it. These are always super quick. Let's go do our quick recap really fast. Medusa's makeup bronzer, not a win for me. The shadow is gorgeous. I'm going to use this. It's going to happen. I kind of wish that I could like depot these. I wonder if you can. Maybe I'll try it out on a color I don't like. But if I could depot these, I could put them in a Z palette and then maybe I'd actually use them. Let me know if you know how to depot Medusa's makeup shadows down below. Peony mascara. Always down to try a new mascara. And the lip balm I think is probably my favorite from this one. Just because it smells so good. Hopefully it actually works well. And then of course you get the little oil wipe, which you know what? We'll just use it right now because why not? So yeah, that works really well. Gets it all off your hand. It is very, very oily though. Like you can see the oil on my hands, which it's fine. It says that's what it does. So I'm not mad about it, but yeah, let me know down below if you guys like this subscription. Do you get this subscription? All that fun stuff. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.